visited the Buddhist temple Wat Heri Luang, which is located in Chiang Mai. The area was very large, so we spent most of the day there. And I noticed that in such places it is very clean and the plants are watered all the time. We had to pay for the entrance to the temple, but there are also those in the city where the entrance is free, so don't worry. There is also free access to the toilets. There are rules in the temples that you must follow. Before entering the temple, you must take off your shoes, hat, and sunglasses. And it is worth remembering about covering the shoulders and knees, and obviously remain silent and never touch the Buddha image. Interestingly, it is not allowed to sit with your feet facing the Buddha because it is considered an insult. Hi, we are going to eat something because I'm a little hungry and it's really hot outside. Oh my god, I have to sit and rest a little bit. Oh my god, I cannot believe this, that I'm here and I can see these temples. There are a lot of monks here. Okay. I'm so hungry. Hi, we are at hotel right now and it was a really intense day for us. It was exhausting, but we visited a lot of temples and I have to admit that they're incredible. Really, I'm speechless. Yeah. And tomorrow we have planned a trip to Chiang Mai also, but this is a national park with waterfalls and what else, babe?
Elephants?
No elephants. Tribal villages tour. I have a lot of snacks from Thailand and I'm gonna try with my husband. This is gonna be first. Honey, it's time to big shit.
Of weed?
Yeah. It smells like fish. It's predictable, but I don't like this kind of thing. Oh, this is your... My husband loves big shit. Yeah, no, I don't like. It smells like a fish, but I like fish, so I don't understand. Give me a drink. Oh, guys, this is a really good drink. Cold brew green tea, jasmine mild sweet. It's really good. My husband thinks that it's so good, but I don't. Yeah? You like it? Okay. I don't like it. Okay. Next. Yeah, peanuts, coconut cream flavor coated. Ah. I love peanut, so this snack will be mine. This is yours. It's so good. Okay, the next snack will be spicy shred tamarind and mango. And I opened this package. Oh. It's a little bit spicy. More than a little bit. But in the end, it's good. In the end, I want more. It's really good. That's it for today. And yeah, see you later on our trip. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to the next vlog. It's a next day and we came to the national park to see waterfall, and it's so beautiful here. I'm so glad. And yeah, it's starting to get hot, so I got my hat and yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you this landscape because it's incredible. I'm totally speechless. And yeah, I cannot believe that I'm here and I can explore this country. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm sure that I come here in another season because in this season in Thailand is so hot, 40 Celsius degrees, so it's really hot. But yeah, look at this. Okay, guys, there is the bigger one. Oh my god, there's a lot of greenery here, a lot of nature. It looks so good. It was the first time I saw the waterfall live, and I must admit that it's something I won't forget for the rest of my life. Unfortunately, we didn't spend much time at the waterfalls. The next point of the trip was a walk through the national park to the top of the mountain. There was located the famous King and Queen pagodas. On the way we passed many monuments and places of prayer. Walking among such beautiful nature, I felt great peace. These two chatties are dedicated to the king and his wife. They were gifts from the Royal Thai Air Force for their 60th birthdays. The brown one is the king's and the purple one is the queen's. Then we went to the last stop of our trip. It was nearby Hill Tribe Village. We had the opportunity to see how houses are built to protect them from flooding. In the village, there was a shop mainly for tourists, and you could buy products made by people from there. After a long day, we finally had a Thai lunch. Oh my god, it was really delicious.